Surprise. It's a feature found frequently in the history of science, but it's often overlooked. Over and over, we find perspectives are challenged, paradigms and the predominant thinking can even be overhauled, and often we find that things aren't as they appeared. And we saw that in the last couple of videos as we looked at heliocentrism, disease caused by microorganisms, the nature of the atom, and the very fabric of space-time as Einstein found in relativity. So all of this kind of begs the question, why do we keep seeing surprise in the history of science? It's a good question, and those of us who believe that there was a creator behind the physical universe, it kind of is a good question. Why would that creator put surprise in there? I think the nature of science actually points us to that. Surprise challenges our assumptions. It keeps us on our toes. It keeps us humble. There's like an openness and a curiosity because when we often get surprised that we ask questions. Human beings, we like to have control. We like to have things figured out. And the lure of self-focus is quite strong. Children who always get what they want, they become entitled and selfish. It's unhelpful, actually, to always find what we're expecting. We actually can become proud and independent and really self-focused. If you actually look at the history of science, it involves collaboration, learning from colleagues, building on others' discoveries. Each person kind of gets a piece of the puzzle. There's also, in the collaboration, challenging of one another's assumptions. We have to be willing to admit that when we get questionable results and faulty conclusions because of that. And the surprise actually fosters humility and community. You know, discovery is really closed to those who have it all figured out. Show me a scientist who discovers unexpected features of Earth, life, and the universe, and I'll show you someone who's walking in humility and curiosity. It's really a posture of the heart and not just the mind. Good science always involves humility. I could be wrong, right? Surprise keeps us humble, on our toes, connected to each other, observing reality with a curiosity and a wonder. And I think that's a very healthy posture towards all of reality.